In addition to being a microplate reader, the SpectraStar Nano has a standard Cuvette port for single sample absorbance measurements. In order to make subsequent analysis easier, these individual readings can be grouped into a batch. This video will take you through the process of data collection and data analysis that can be performed when batch Cuvette readings are used. In the Cuvette tab, click on Start Cuvette Batch. Create an original name and select an ID for your batch. Then click Start Batch. You first need to read a Cuvette containing a blank. This can be done in the software control if a Cuvette is already in place. Here, you can see how to change cuvettes. Reading of a blank can be done with these external controls, but since that has already been done, this new cuvette is read by clicking Measure. When all of the cuvettes have been read, click Stop Cuvette Batch. The data can now be opened in Mars. Here, you can begin to identify your samples. Since this was actually a Bradford assay, we need to define which of these cuvettes is a standard. These are in cuvettes 1 through 5. We also need to make sure that we are looking at data from the correct wavelength. The wavelength indicator can be dragged, or the appropriate wavelength can be entered. Now that we are finishing defining which cuvettes have standards and their associated concentrations, we can move on to creating a standard curve. Click Calculations and select Standard Curve Calculations. In this case, the default settings are okay, so hit Apply and Close. We can now view the standard curve, and the fit results can be checked. If you choose, you can view the recalculated sample values on the linear fit. If you have any questions about performing Cuvette measurements or other nano functions, please contact us.